Just for fun today, we're going to remind people what regular keyboards sound like, what most people use on a daily basis. What do you think?